All right, 3, 2, 1, action. Wow. What's up, guys? This is James, aka the Chink Man. It's a hot day. It's also a nice day out. And today, I have an igloo tank, and I'm gonna splash water on people when really I'm not. So let's just see how that goes. Oh God, oh my God. Kobe, that's not part of the skit. You're supposed to hand it to me, that's it. Sorry. Fuck it, man. Let's cut right into this bullshit. Let's go. That's C Hundo right there. Subscribe to it on YouTube. C Hundo, you already know what's going on. Yeah. Hey, come on, let's go. Oh, my bad. My bad. Let's get him. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, man. That's him, right? Yeah. Let's go get him. Oh, I'm just kidding.
Y'all got me, man. Oh, wow.
I think he needs some water. Oh, dang. You need some water? Oh, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right. Sorry to interrupt your business call, sir. I'm just kidding. We're just shooting a video right there. Shit, what's up, little homie? You look like you might need some water right now. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Like they brave.
He was looking at me like, damn, I'm about to beat your ass, little boy. Hey, bro, you look like you need some water right now. I'm just kidding.
Oh. I thought I was a world star. Oh, that would have been.
Yeah, you're about to be right there. Bro, let's just fucking stay up. Come on. Hi, how you doing? You want some water? I'm just kidding. Sometimes you just say fuck it and then cross a road like this.
Fuck it.
I'm just kidding. No problem. Hi, would you like some water?
Oh my gosh,
I'm just kidding.
Literally you were.
Damn, gentlemen, it's a hot day out, huh? Just imagine, guys, if I did that. What's going on, bro? You look like you need some water. I'm just kidding. I'm just shooting a video with that.
Bro, take it off there.
All right.
Hey man, it's never a rough day. You know why? Because when you're the chick, man, you never have rough days. We have good days.
Hey, that's a nice picture, but how about some water? I know it's raining, all gentlemen, but you guys need some water. I'm just kidding with you.
Worst day of your life.
She's like, I would have fucked you up right there. Hi, we're gonna. Oh, nice. Hi. We're just messing with you guys. We're just doing a video right there. You got that great reaction. Thank you guys for the video. All right, thank you. All right, guys, that's it for the rest of the video. If you guys like this video, like, comment, subscribe. See Hundo right there. Like I said again, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day. Peace. Kayla, why don't we give her a little splash? Come on, let's go. Oh, dang.
Tried.
Oh,
You tried.
I was trying to get a good reaction out of it.
I knew. I had a feeling. I was like, we have a baby.
Yeah.
That would be a me.
Yeah.
If it was just me, I'd have been like, could have happened.
I felt like you would have cussed me out for if you didn't have a baby, you know?
Yeah. I mean, I don't know. It's kind of hot outside. I could have lived with it.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's linen.
I mean, I just wanted to give you, a nice splash of life, you know what I mean?
Yeah, thanks. You
Well, I
definitely
try.
helped
Well,
with
I try.
that.
Is it cool if we use you for the video?
Sure.
All right, cameraman's right there.
Oh, perfect.
All right,
Good.
thank you guys. All right, see you later. See you.